So in addition to Dr. Boss website and the Facebook, her private Facebook site to help people, the most helpful, I think, is that she encourages groups on Facebook, and that is a really amazing help. You check in with them, and you could check in 2-3 times a week, and give your numbers, like what your glucose was that morning and what ketones were and how many carbs you ate. And it's really helpful because that way you stay motivated with the program. You get to see another 1,400 people that are in the group that are sharing their experiences if they run into any trouble, and also if I'm having any issues or feeling certain changes, I can ask this panel of people that have done this for years and find out if I am on the right track or not. So that is a valuable way of doing things, because, well, as in the beginning, it's hard to change from a high carb diet to a low carb diet, and there's a lot of changes that the body goes through that sometimes are scary at the beginning, because it is a process and you do feel bad for the first week or so, and then the body starts adjusting to the low carb, and you start seeing the benefits within 3 weeks. You see the benefits and the energy that you start getting from not eating carbs as the main source. This is getting thicker because it's closer to the river. Maybe this was not such a good idea. If you fall out here, the only way they'll find you is if once the vultures start flying around, they'll know that some dead animal is out there. Me. Yeah, the nice thing about here is that it's flat area, so I don't get tired as much as climbing in the mountains. But yeah, this is getting thicker and thicker. I may have to turn back. There may not be a trail, a loop trail going back into the main trail. So I'll have to see how that goes. Well, at least now that there's no snakes for the winter, I can go ahead and cut across the grass area and try to get back into the main trail. You really can't get lost here because the Sandia Mountains are in the east, and so you can only, that's a reference point to go south or east. And I'm also on cell phone signal here, so I can Google and see where I'm at. Here's a trail going west, so I'll take that. This one is going east toward the river. There's more clouds coming in. There's a storm coming in, I think tonight, so it's gonna get cold. I think today was the next day, and tomorrow's there's a storm coming in, so I won't go anywhere when there's a storm. But now I'm going west, away from the river, and hopefully I'll run into the main trail and head back to the car. But this is a different area. I haven't been here. I like it. Always like to do something different. Although it kind of looks the same because, well, it's all dead now because of the winter months.